Any other spiders I need to know about? No? No brother, no cousin, no sister? Because I ain't trying to take nothing home with me. We about to see what these taste like, y'all. Mmm. Friends, good morning. Right now I'm thinking black coffee, and the pan is all pretty much used up from last night. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna make eggs in that pan. So instead, I might just go ahead and make the eggs inside the coffee pot. It is so weird. I'll make eggs inside a pot. I've never done that before, but hey, I think it could be done. Also, sorry, I just woke up, so I'm trying to think. Also, I guess let's get some reading time in. It's been a few days since I read anything, so yeah, I'm really trying to stay on track on reading and then do my push-ups. And then yeah, that should be it for today. Because I have to check out at 11. No, I'm sorry, I have to check out at 12 p.m. So yeah. All right, let's get some water out of here. That's my emergency sandwich. Here are the eggs. Now, I had a better plan, y'all. I'm just gonna boil eggs. I haven't had boiled eggs in a minute, so yeah. Wish I had some salt or something, but you know what? I don't care. Boiled eggs still taste good to me. Oop, little spider right there. It's gonna flick you on the ground, buddy. Oh, there you go. Oh, water out. Boom, ice cold too. You know what? I might save this for drinking water because it's really ice cold. I got some bottles of water in my truck, so yeah. Let me go get those real quick. There you go. Check it out. That was in my rucksack just now. I had to empty out everything on the ground. Oh man, this is so crazy. That would have sucked to take that home with me. Because I don't know what kind of spider it is, for one. But yeah. I'm glad I saw it. Really, I'm really glad I saw it. Any other spiders I need to know about? No? No brother, no cousin, no sister? Because I ain't trying to take nothing home with me. I think I'm good. There we go. Gonna let that boil. Another scoop. I like my black coffee just a tad bit strong. There we go. right, next we're gonna put the eggs in there now. I'm using a scoop for it to be safer. Right, so I know some of you are probably saying no campfire push age. And honestly, I don't really need one, really. Maybe I should have done one for the camping aesthetic sake, you know. But honestly, it could wait till next camping trip. Cause I made my meal on the camping stove last night. I already made the s'more cookies at home. Really delicious, by the way. And yeah, pretty much, really don't need it. But for you guys, I will make sure to do a campfire next video. I promise. All right, so it's been 10 minutes. The eggs should be fully hardened by now. So I got a smart little tip. If you have a cooler full of ice and you do happen to boil stuff like eggs, you can use that ice to cool off the eggs and such. Pretty smart. All right, here goes nothing. There, each of these eggs should be able to cool off within 5 minutes of this ice water. All right, so these are ready. There you go, so you can see better. I'm gonna de-shell them in the trash bag right here. So give me a sec, guys. And boom, breakfast is served, guys. My eggs right here. I didn't bring any plates or bowls because, like I said, I had to buy a new set. But yeah, I got this, eggs, and freshly brewed coffee right here, you know. Oof. They say people who drink black coffee are evil, but bro, you can't. I'm sorry, black coffee's awesome. Plus, for me right now, it's kind of healthier anyway, and it gives you more energy than when you put sugar and shit in there. Excuse my language. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and dig in. It's perfect. Perfect. All right, so you guys remember when I told you I had no salt or pepper, right? So I said, you know what? I have some taco seasoning left. So I poured some of the packet in with the eggs. We're about to see what these taste like, y'all. I got a fork right here, too. Yeah, I just pour some in there, roll it around the pot, and let me see. Holy crap. Taco seasoning eggs. I might be on to something, y'all. Oh my God, this is so good. Oh man. I'm speechless how good this is. Really. Oh man, this meal is awesome, guys. This meal is really awesome. I'm really glad I thought about this. I noticed, like, when it comes to like thinking innovative, like I'm trying to say is I excel at thinking outside the box, like the eggs, putting the hot eggs in the cooler, or putting the seasoning on the eggs instead of salt and pepper. Like, I don't know, like this. I think the nature brings out my intellect, my inner intellect is what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying? It sounds ridiculous, kind of, but it makes sense to me. Cause I guess when you're out in nature, it makes you think of it. You sometimes you gotta think outside the box. Pretty much is what I'm trying to say. And it definitely is making me think outside the box. Wow. I thank God for this meal. Really, I do. Mm. This was an amazing trip. I thank you, Lord, for this amazing experience, and I ask you to grant me even more thus far. I truly appreciate each and every one of you. And now me and Rossi about to pack up, and man, I needed this trip, really. But anyways, about to pack up. It's officially 12 o'clock now, which means I gotta get out here. So yeah, you guys, do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and put Sage out. And before I leave, goodbye, stick of, what should we call you? Let's call you stick of guidance. Yeah, don't ask me why, I just came up with that. Now, y'all really thought I was gonna leave off the video without me getting some water? Come on. I'm right here at the swimming access area right now. Dude, I have all of this beach to myself. This is crazy. Like, oh, oh man, the silence is bliss. I'm about to enjoy myself, and yeah. I'm glad I brought my beach shoes. I got these for Hawaii last year, and they come in handy ever since. Here we go. That water feels kind of cool, but not too cool. Like just right. This is my favorite temperature. All right, now I'm about to officially close the video out. You guys have yourselves a blessed day.